Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable membership website setup using Kajabi from LinkedIn traffic, complete guide step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the products section on the left-hand side. Click on products to open the product management area. Next, click on the new product button. Select membership as the type of product you wish to create. Give your membership site a unique and descriptive name. Add a brief description to help potential members understand what they will gain. After that, click Create New Product to proceed. You will now be taken to the product editor. Begin by customizing the appearance of your membership site. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand. Next, add sections to organize your content effectively. This can include modules for videos, text, or downloads. Make sure to upload any necessary content that members will access. After content setup, navigate to the Settings tab. Under Settings, configure your membership pricing. Select whether you want to offer a one-time payment or a subscription. Set up any trial periods if applicable. Now, move to the Sales section from the left-hand menu. Here, create a new offer for your membership product. Define the pricing in any payment plans you want to offer. Add any sales copy that describes the value of your membership. Once done, click on Save Offer. Next, return to your dashboard and click on Marketing. Here, you will create a landing page to attract LinkedIn traffic. Choose a template that offers a conversion-focused layout. Customize the landing page with engaging visuals and compelling copy. Make sure to include a clear call to action for potential members. After finishing the landing page, publish it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.